Hi, I'm Q, your digital water assistant at Qatium. Today, I'll show you how to perform a fire flow analysis in Qatium by specifying a target residual pressure. You'll always find me here, at the bottom left of the screen if you need any assistance. A fire flow analysis is necessary to evaluate a network's ability to support firefighting operations. It determines whether the system can provide sufficient flow rates while maintaining the required pressure. This can be achieved in a number of ways, including assessing the network pressures when a specific flow rate is applied, or assessing the maximum flow at a set pressure, the method we'll cover in today's tutorial. To perform the fire flow analysis, we'll use the pressures panel, the demand spike panel, and the tank autonomy panel, if your system relies on tanks to ensure water supply. Choose the network in your workspace where you want to perform your fire flow analysis. Use the timeline to select the time to begin your test. Next, select a hydrant. Navigate to the demand spike panel's pressure tab. Input or adjust the target residual pressure using the slider. The demand spike panel will show the maximum achievable flow from the hydrant while maintaining the target pressure. Use the pressure panel to pinpoint customers with critically low pressure. For best results, select pressure ranges lower than your target value. Click the hexagon to quickly identify customer points' minimum pressure. Depending on the start time you set, use the fast forward button to see how the pressure changes throughout the day. Use the Network Versions panel to switch between My Scenario and My Network and observe the impact on your network. If your network relies on tanks for fire protection, consider checking the Tank Autonomy panel to ensure sustained water availability. To perform a new analysis, first delete your existing one by using the Trash Can button in the Network Versions panel. I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.